Okay guys, chances are you hear the music in the background because I'm inside filming a gig. And you're probably saying, how are you filming it? Well, I use my old camcorder to film it. And I just can't resist taking this new camera outside in the pitch black into low lux mode to go out back to see this monstrosity running. This beautiful, beautiful pack job. Let's see. I feel cold air, and that is wet as could be. This whole unit is sweating. That's what all that is. I'm in 720p, by the way. I'm too lazy to switch it into 1080, but this is really quick because I don't want to be out here long because it is muggy and it is like 68 degrees inside. Yeah, I thought I'd take his video of this thing running. I gotta go back in because I've got to switch out camcorder because my other one's not dead. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. I gotta go get back to filming a gig inside so I don't lose the job. Over and out.